And hello, friends. My name is Tarannum Yogesh Dobriyal, and I have an upcoming program on money manifestation. Has it ever occurred to you why some people can easily and effortlessly attract money into their lives and maintain it too? Have you ever found yourself stuck at a particular financial level, and even after putting in lots and lots of effort, you are still not being able to reach your desired level? Have you ever had the experience that you sensed that there was money just round the corner, but when it actually came down to reality, even that opportunity or that money coming in just disappeared? Well, I have cracked that secret code for you, and I am giving it away in this program. I would love to see you there, and for details, you can click on the registration link given below. So just swipe up to see the magic begin in your life and register now.